National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for Central Polk County in central Iowa, Southeast Polk County in central Iowa, until 1:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 10 miles west of Des Moines, moving east at 10 miles per hour. The tornado will be near West Des Moines around 11:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Des Moines around 11:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Altoona around 12:10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Urbandale, Beaverdale, Meredith Middle School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county in Iowa: Polk County, Iowa,